The judges recalled your meeting where you discussed the placement of the bed and the distance from the wall. Do you remember that?
Yep.
We spoke to Kerry and Spence about how changing this wall pushed everything this way, and then they spoke to us about putting in a bed head, and we said, probably wouldn't do that. Maybe apply a wallpaper or a fabric wall or something so that you don't add more space with the bed head, pushing it further towards this wall.
And did you listen to that?
No, we didn't, did we?
No.
I love how they've made the bed. I actually like the textures, I like the contrast. And then they've got an amazing chair. I think the colour palette is gorgeous.
And the artwork is very appropriate for St Kilda.
Palms against pink is actually a fashion trend in interiors, and they've got sort of interpretation of palms against pink, and I think that's really clever.
Did you know that?
Not really. I just liked it.
This is flat. Do you know what this is making me feel like? This feels like a room in a boutique hotel that is ready to be renovated.
Your room today just felt like a basic display home for Shayna.
And I'm not talking a high-end display home.
A standard display home. I don't understand. What is a standard display home?
Oh, here's a charger.
Where's it going?
But a slight tug. And it turns out they weren't plugged into anything at all.
There's no PowerPoint.
What?
Nah, there's got to be a trick somewhere.
There's no PowerPoint. OK, they have one right under there that is the most annoying PowerPoint in the whole wide world.
You wanted to create the illusion of perfection, but unfortunately, Darren said...
In all seriousness, that pisses me off.
Oh, no, I love him.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Somebody has given us a room, finally, that feels modern and luxurious and glamorous and absolutely on brief for the building that we're in.
And I think, I'm just looking there, I think they are my new favourite bedside tables ever.
Floating and underlit.
Oh, my God, underlit and the PowerPoint to the side.
I just saw.
And with PowerPoints in them.
Yes.
And light switches beside them.
Genius.
Amazing. The winner of week 2 at the Gatwick Guest Bedroom Week by just half a point again is... Bianca and Carla.
There is not one part of me that thought that we could win it today. No. Makes the all-nighter well and truly worth it now.
Courtney and Hans's perseverance got them second place with 25.5 points. 1 point behind in third, Norm and Jess with 24.5 points. Kerry and Spence came fourth with 23 points, and unlucky last for their second week in a row is Hayden and Sarah on 22.5 points.
What a load of... Yeah, let's not paint beside a bedside table and win.
Yeah, it's disappointing.
No, disappointing is an understatement. It's actually devastating. Why do I have to be ridiculed on national TV when I could be spending time with my family? That's what makes me mad.